Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make a rice drawing. First, let's start with the fundamental shape of a single rice grain. Imagine a tiny, elongated oval, slightly wider in the middle and gently tapering to soft points at both ends. Use a light pencil to sketch this basic form. This initial step is crucial for establishing the realistic appearance of your rice. We'll build upon this foundation. Now, let's bring some life to our rice grain by adding details and texture. Gently draw a few very fine, slightly curved lines along the length of the grain. These lines don't need to be perfectly straight. A little irregularity adds to the natural look. Vary your pencil pressure to create subtle shadows and highlights, giving the grain a three-dimensional quality. A tiny, almost imperceptible crease on one side can enhance its authenticity. To make your rice drawing truly pop, we'll introduce shading to give it volume. Imagine a light source coming from one direction. Gently shade the opposite side of the grain, gradually darkening the tone. You can use a blending stump or even your finger to smooth out the graphite, creating a soft, even transition. Remember to leave a small, unshaded area as a highlight, mimicking how light reflects off the surface of a real rice grain. Finally, let's expand our drawing to create a small, inviting pile of rice. Begin by drawing several individual grains, overlapping them slightly to form a gentle mound. Don't make them all perfectly aligned. Vary their angles and positions to achieve a more natural, scattered appearance. Some grains can be partially obscured by others, which adds a wonderful sense of depth and realism to your delicious-looking rice drawing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.